Welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make a chicken ball dipped with the sauce. The previous one I did make before. The ingredient we use today, chicken breast. Yeah, of course, chicken breast. We need to get rid of a little bit of fat. This one 600 gram, and all the ingredient we tell you later the amount. Okay, the ingredient: light soy sauce, baking powder, black pepper, chicken powder, the seasoning chicken powder, salt, corn flour, and then garlic flour, ice, coriander root, and that's it. We have to mince sliced chicken, minced all this one, and ice. Then we show you how to make the balls, and then the meat is solid. Okay, balls. Because we need to get rid of the fat. Yeah, all the fat. We slice in 2 small pieces.
Really big breast, huh?
Like the person who make it.
What? Say again?
No. Okay, now bring all the ingredients. I use just a few pieces of coriander root, but this one I tell you not necessary to put, but I like the smell. Okay, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper or white pepper, 2 teaspoons of chicken powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 5 teaspoons of corn flour, or you can use potato starch powder. And now we start to mince this one. You can see this one here start to, because this machine very good, because I'm not advertise the machine unless the company give me another one. Okay, we put a little bit of ice.
What's the ice for?
Ice make the chicken ball is the balls.
Oh,
Yeah,
right, yeah.
with this mince machine. You can see this one. You look the meat is very good. I can see very fine, and this one mixed very well. Okay. Yeah. A little bit of ice. Okay, now we mince for a while. Yeah, you can see all the meat. Okay. Very sticky. Okay, and after this one we mince, and then we beat a little bit more. And in the same time we start to boil the water. We put a little bit of coriander root in the water, because after that I use this one become soup. I can make clear soup or make a noodle. Okay. Okay. Now we beat a little bit now. And you cover with the cling film. Keep in the freezer about 15 minutes or half an hour.
The freezer.
Yeah, the freezer to make this one more solid. I just put while we waiting for the water is boiled. That's it. Okay, I put in the freezer about 10-15 minutes. Yeah, time to go back to get it because the water start to boil. Okay, I take out from the freezer and then can see from here, yeah? Okay. Beat a little bit more because this one feel very cold. Now the water boil, yeah? We off the gas and then now we start to do this one. You hold this one.
So they can see.
Yeah, like this. But don't forget to off the gas. Yeah, if the water is boiling when you do, you can get the bubble inside of the bowl.
Oh, it's a very nifty technique you have there.
Ôi, nè,บอกมีเทคนิคเอา Because the factory they use the machine to do it. Yeah, that's why the ball become very round. I don't understand why the ball round. Yeah. For example.
Is it easier to use to make chicken ones than another meat?
You can use the beef ball.
But is the chicken one easier?
No,
All the same,
everything the same. Beef ball, pork ball, fish ball. Okay, now we hide the gas. Yeah, look, my chicken ball.
How do you know when they're cooked?
How do I know? I don't know how do I know because normally I boil 10-15 minutes. Yeah.
So about 10-15 minutes.
Yeah, you can try. Yeah, this one just basic instinct. Everything cook or not cook. When you want to this one you can make like a noodle soup, or you can steam, dip with the sauce. You can grill, you can fry. But I prefer steam or boil. I'm not really like grill or fry. Yeah, but I also in the same time I prepare water with ice when the chicken ball cook. You smell from coriander root, smell garlic, smell black pepper. Okay, now confirm it's cooked. Take out this one. Yeah, you can just dip in that straight away. If you want to fry, just put in the fryer. If you want to grill, just poke in the stick and
Okay guys, so we're gonna try this luk tin gai, or the chicken balls, chicken meatballs. And we got the sauce from last week. So good. So I've got the boiled ones here. These ones that I've got here are grilled. So they're boiled first and then grilled, just to brown them off. Both are amazing, but if you can spend a few minutes just to put them on a skewer and just to brown them off a bit on a grill or a hot plate, really brings out the flavour more. And this is great. I mean, you know, the luk tin, the meatballs, they're so versatile. You could just have them like this, or you can put them in a noodle soup. You can put them in, even in a stir fry, or a yum sauce if you want. You know, you really can try so many different things. Yeah, I think definitely the grilled ones, that kind of toasted, just brings the flavour out even more. So give that a go, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye now.